Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring usage. Open network settings and record GB per month so you have a baseline. Next, identify the top data consumers, browsers, cloud sync, streaming apps, so you target the worst offenders. Once identified, set your primary Wi-Fi as a metered connection to block automatic updates and background syncing. This immediately reduces unknown data drains. Also, disable auto start apps and sign out of cloud clients until you configure selective syncing and limits. You now tune the middleville controls that actually cut consumption. First, turn off background activity for non-essential apps so they stop sending or receiving data constantly. Then optimize browsers, enable data saver modes, block autoplay video, and remove extensions that sync often. For cloud storage, pick selective folder sync and reduce sync frequency. When available, enable LAN sync so files transfer locally instead of to the internet. Make sure to test transfers and monitor immediate changes to confirm savings. You finish by enforcing strict caps and preparing for problems. Use firewall rules or third-party apps to set per-app data limits and schedule updates for off-peak hours to avoid unexpected consumption. Compress or lower quality for streaming and archive large uploads before sending. This saves obvious GBs. If you see spikes, check Task Manager for hidden processes, reset the network adapter, and review activity logs. If issues persist, temporarily disable sync services one at a time to isolate the effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.